Hello guys, me with my first one. Today I'm showing you squishies. I have a lot, so probably like 33. So first I have this squishy. This is one of the first squishies I ever had, guys. So yep. Next one. This one is like a rainbow cake kind of thing. Ow! Ow! Why can't I squish with this finger? Okay, let's try. Let's try and squish it. Yes, I did it. Okay, my finger like hurt when I squish it. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. The next one is a pineapple. It may look like peachy colour to you, but it's actually very yellow. And you don't like see it yellow there. Squishes. Let me get it. Okay, next I have this rainbow strawberry that has red, yellow, blue, purple, and like peach. What would you guys say that is? Put in the comment section down below what you think that is, what colour you think that is. So, next we have this apple here. As you can see, it is a keyring. You put like a keyring in there, and you can break it to school, squish it. You can bring it to class even. Actually, don't do that. I do not recommend doing that, guys. So this is it. It's got leaf. It's got like it's like very smooth, and then it's got a green like leaf here, and here it's got a stalk. Now this is a very accurate apple, so it's one of my favourites. Next we have this tiny squishy one here. It's sushi, if you can see it. Okay, I'm actually gonna, can I do that? Will it not fall? Yeah, it'll fall. I'll do that. There we go, that's good. So, next we have this rainbow cake. It's got a hole in the bottom. It's a rainbow cake. And it's got a rainbow stuff on here. And on top it's got rainbow sprinkles. So yeah. Next we have this blue panda here. So this is also a keychain. I think all the panda ones are keychains. Mostly all the squishies are keychains. Next I have another rainbow strawberry. Let's put them together. Rainbow strawberries. I have more strawberries. I don't know why. My mum wanted me to buy more. So I got this one that my cat bit off the stalk. And I've got this one that my cat did not bite the stalk off. Great. So this is these two. So next we have another panda. I have two pandas. I bought one, but then I bought a pack, and then that came with a panda. So yeah. Yeah. Could probably like do something. So next we have this plain squishy. I'm just joking, guys. It's actually a rainbow squishy. It's got a pattern on the bottom here, and it's got like some little rocks here. It's got like, and then on the top it's got a starfish, like yellow starfish there. It's got an island there. I think that's another island. That's a rainbow, and then that's a cloud. It's another cloud, and then that is That's a blue whale, the biggest whale in the world. Maybe the biggest living thing in the world. Okay, so yeah. Next we've got a Christmas tree ice cream. I'm gonna squish it. See. So next we have this giant strawberry cake. It has icing like dripping down the side, and it's got sprinkled there. It's got like chocolate syrup and strawberries, more chocolate syrup and strawberries there. So I'm gonna pick up a couple and then actually hold on guys. Oh gosh. Sorry guys. Sorry. I'm so sorry about that guys. So yeah, I have all my squishies here now, so I don't have to keep going in and out of the box. So next I have a flour donut. Where did this come from? Weird. And I have a hot cross bun. It's kind of a hot cross bun. It's not only got one cross, it's got about 3 on there. No, wait. And not enough for me to count, so I'm not going to count. So let's squish it. Next we have a hot chocolate, I think it is, or latte. Yeah, so it's got chocolate syrup on the top and a logo in a cup, and it's got a logo right there. It says Luisio Squeezies coffee fresh brewed. So it's coffee. Next we have 2 Chinese pieces of toast, because if you guys don't know, squishies are made in China. They come from China. So this is a Chinese loaf of bread. They're not actually this small, don't worry guys. That's it. Let's have it squish. Okay, next we have another one. This is another one from China, but it's pink on the top. And it has like a cat face, and here there's Chinese writing. I don't know what it says. Probably says something not interesting. Next we have a purple baby bottle and a pink baby bottle. This one is slower and this one is faster. Still rising. Anytime now. There we go. So next we have a heart that has hypnotist eyes. It's got some blushy cheeks here and mouth there. Panda. I want to get this video done quick, so panda. And I can go and do another video I'm doing. You guys are going to love the next video I'm doing. So panda. Panda toast. Banana. I can't get it to banana. Sandwich. Why is there so many random squishies popping up? A cheese sandwich. I think that's cheese. I don't know. Mom, is this cheese? Mom's like, yeah, it's cheese. Okay, so we have more panda toast, but this one is pink. I think it's bread, and it's not shaped like a panda like this one is. This one squishes this. Let's go. Next, this one is my favourite panda. It's got like sticky out ears, and it's got, I don't know if you guys can see that, but a yellow face. I don't know. So yeah, cool. Next we have sushi. Only one squishy. is sushi. Sushi. Okay. Next, we have a burger bun. It's got like lettuce burger. There's only lettuce in this burger, so it's a pretty plain burger. Pretty dry burger. So it's got a kissy face on it. I think that's supposed to be chocolate syrup, but it's actually like something. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna count yet. So this one, I don't really know what this is. I think it's supposed to be a marshmallow, but it has a face on it. That's so weird. I've never even heard of that. So next we have a hot cross bun. We're almost done. We've only got one. No, that wasn't. 6 left. Okay, this is the hot cross bun. Here. Yeah, this actually looks realistic. So, yeah. Next we have a fish. This one's fast at rising. Look. I bet it won't rise. Let's see. It's fast. We have a swirly bun. Okay, swirly bun. Just got like. So yeah. Next we have a giant peach. Bum bum. Okay, that'll take long to load. Next we have a cat paw. We actually went to a squishies shop just to get, they do like cat squishies that can't be ripped apart. We went there and this is a cat squishy that can't be ripped apart. And then we brought our cat with us to see which one he liked the best. And then they told him to put his paw on this, so he put his paw on this and then squishy. So yeah, wait, it's a squishy. That's just so funny. Okay, next we have second to last, we have a squishy. And it's supposed to be a marshmallow squishy. I know it doesn't look like a marshmallow, it just looks like a cat, but it feels like a marshmallow. So last but not least, we have a unicorn. I did not ask for this one. I got it for my birthday. I had to keep it, but I still love it. It's amazing. So let's put all of them back.